to put Favicon icon in Blogspot. It's very easy to put Favicon icon in your blog or website. Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our video. So first of all, open your Photoshop and create new file. And the size should be 64 by 64 pixels. Then just type something what you want to put and save it. Blogger.com or blogspot.com. Then go in layout, and there you will see the Favicon icon, and this kinds of window will pop up. Then now just browse a file and save it and refresh it. Now just click in the view blog and check your Favicon icon working or not. Now it's done. Hoping that you understand to put Favicon icon after watching this video. So this much for today. Don't forget to subscribe for further videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.